Hello guys, welcome to our very own channel Technotive Hacks. So guys, in this video I will be telling you how you can create a different charming look in the flowers. As you see in the first image, that how I did that in the background I just replaced a color with a black and white effect, and in the middle portion I created some yellow effect so the overall flower get a good result. So guys, without wasting time, we'll go for the application. The application's name is Lightroom Edit. In this application I will be doing how you can create an impactful edit. So we'll choose first option will be crop option. So I will crop the image nicely. Yes, I've done. Then I will go to light option. You can see over here the light option is there, and I will increase the exposure. I will increase the exposure by 0.69. I will decrease the contrast, and I will increase this highlight. Shadows also I will increase some in 35. Whites, that also I will be increasing, I will be decreasing, and the black option will be decreasing, increasing. And you have to just go to the another option, and you have to just click the mix option, and you have to just adjust the colors. So I will choose the second one. So I will increase the hue, saturation will be low, luminance will be also low. You can see if you will low the saturation in the yellow color, you can see the colors, the flower is getting totally white, which is looking attractive. But our video is telling that how you can create an impactful image. So you see over here, so you can see slowly our background is being black and whited. So our pic is not almost done. We'll increase, we'll decrease, we'll balance the color. Yeah, luminance effect, and yeah, well done over there. And I will just go and less some saturations and increase some vibrance, and tint also I will less some tint. Tempo will be also little only, -6, that's it. And we'll go in the texture. I will increase some texture, and in the vignette I will just use -87, 82, that's it. And you have to just create the midpoint over if you are using vignette, just make sure that the midpoint should be the midpoint always don't should be you have to create a sharp look. It also always create a smooth look. So I will use the feather by increasing 59. The roundness will also be increasing by 27. Highlights, you can see the highlights. And yeah, our pic is ready. If you want to retouch, I will go in the exposure also. I will go to the contrast option, and you can see, yeah, our pic is almost ready. And you have to less the highlight. And now you will be thinking why I done it before only. Why I didn't done before? Because the color reactions has a different bond. So if I will not increase this, then the another color will not balance with it. That's why I did it now. So you can see, wow, yeah, impactful look is amazing. Just this our pic is ready, guys. And if you want to add some, and we'll save it, and I will also put my logo. If you haven't followed me in Instagram, do guys, in description I have put my link in the description. You can go from there and Please do follow my Instagram page. So guys, I will just, so we edited this picture. Now I will add my logo. Then I will search over here Instagram logo. Then I will choose this. Make it smaller because this is more important. The logo is just for a class look. It's Vigitography. My Instagram's name is Vigitography. Just choose the color, choose the font which you want. I will choose this. You can see overall our pic is ready. Don't make your font too much big, make it smaller. The logo should be little more bigger than your this caption. Yeah, finally our pic is ready, guys. Please do try this. This is very easy to use and very convenient. You can easily learn this. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. I will be replying your comments. See you again in the next video. Bye. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay tuned.